Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be redoing this vanity. It also has a mirror to it and a seat to it. So I'm going to see what I can do to make it look better. I'm actually doing this for my cousin. She purchased this I think off of Craigslist or something like that, and we just want to see what we can do to, I don't know, put a little life into it. So to paint this bad boy today, I will be using the Decor 360 paint sprayer. This is actually my first time using one of these, but I've seen it done and I think I can do it. And actually it just saves you a lot of time. It gets it done way faster. So that's what I'm going to do instead of using a paintbrush. Antonio found this from someone selling it on Facebook Marketplace. I think we paid like $40 for this thing, something like that. So I'm happy about that. So I'm going to use this paint sprayer and we're going to get this baby painted. Listen, y'all don't even understand how excited I am right now. I just painted this whole thing in like 6 minutes, something like that. Are you freaking kidding me? That's what I'm talking about. Work smarter, not harder. I would have been here all day with a paintbrush, even trying to get the inside and all that. I still got to go underneath it a little bit, but I'm gonna let this first coat dry up. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, so this is the top, this is the mirror, and I just had to cover up the mirror, of course. So I just used some thick paper. I had some painter's tape to put it on there. My son wants to try. I don't know why I'm about to let him do this. Let me show you. Hand it here. Hand it here. It's almost out of paint too, so you're not gonna just keep holding it. You're gonna hold it, point it, and then just go in a downward stroke. Like that. Got it?
You said don't keep holding it?
I mean, you go, you do your stroke and then let go. Don't just keep holding the trigger because paint gonna be spraying out the whole time. Come on, one stroke. That's all you get because you make me nervous. All right, you good. Look, you.
Mom, can I do it?
Oh no, sir.
Please.
No.
Please.
Here, Mark, hold this.
Like that,
stop, stop! Don't you push that. Yeah, you can hold. You can hold it with me. Record, Christian. Hold right here. Let go, let go. Okay, thank you. You've been great. All right, y'all, so there it is. I got it all painted, and now I'm just gonna add some other little touches to it to, hey, I'm gonna add a few more little touches to it to make it pop. So I got these adhesive vanity lights from Amazon. What you see me doing here is just trying to hide the wire. So the lights stick right on. I will tell you they were kind of falling off, so I went ahead and used some construction adhesive to make sure that they stick. But what I'm doing now is just hiding the wire. So I'm just painting the wire the same color as the vanity itself. I will be leaving a link in the description box below if you're interested in these lights. They're a great set. They actually go to 3 different tones. So you have an amber light, a daylight, and then a bright light. So I think they're awesome. So here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy DIYs like I do, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.